Hello everyone, welcome to the process log. Today's story is from Aesop's Fables named The Farmer and His Sons. There was an old farmer who had several sons. The sons were strong, but they often argued with each other. They could never agree on anything and were always fighting. The farmer was worried about their future. He knew that after his death, their fights would destroy everything he had built. One day, the farmer called all his sons together. He gave them a bundle of sticks and said, "Try to break this bundle." Each son tried his best, but none of them could break it. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. He said, "Now try to break it." This time, each son broke the stick easily. The farmer looked at them and said, "When you stand together, you are strong like the bundle. But when you are divided, you are weak like a single stick." The sons understood their father's lesson. They realized that unity is strength and fighting only brings loss. This story teaches us that together we are stronger and unity brings success. This is the process of sign out.